What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Amazing DJ here with another amazing video, man. It's good to see y'all again. It's been a while. I hope I hope all of y'all are doing well. Y'all been hitting me up asking for this one for a minute, and I've been slacking, but I'm gonna bring it to y'all today. So today I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to do your own at-home backyard garden. A couple months ago, I started my own garden, and I really just did it just to see if I could do it. I didn't know anything about gardening, and it turned out really good. It was really healthy. I had a lot of healthy crops, man. I don't know, man. Like, to me, it's just kind of cool that I can just grow my own stuff and go in the backyard and just pull it out, you know, I don't got to go to the grocery store and shit like that. I'm gonna go and post some clips real quick so y'all can see, do I know what I'm talking about? For the ones that not on my social media, y'all probably like, we ain't even seen your garden. You know what I'm saying? Do we even know what he talking about? I will say, I'm not like no professional gardener. You know what I'm saying? But I think I did very well. Y'all go ahead and look at these clips real quick and then judge for yourself. We learn to embrace it. Yeah, I know it's like that. We actually pulled from our garden and eat it, like at the crib. Had collard greens, cabbages, broccoli. We ate that for Thanksgiving, for Christmas. That's enough talking though, man. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store right now, buy all the supplies we need, and give y'all the rundown, show y'all what you need to buy, and I'm gonna show you actually how to put the crops in the ground and get it started. So y'all sit back, enjoy the video, man. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, this is step one to the process. You have to get your soil for the garden. As you can see, I'm finna load the soil up into the truck. I'm getting 3 bags of soil because I already got a garden made. But if you're starting fresh, depending on the size of your garden, you probably should get about 6 bags. This is the brand that I use. You know what I'm saying? You can do your own research and get your own. But this is what I like to use. So yeah, this is step one. Get soil. All right, so when you're doing your garden, there's 2 different ways you can do it, man. You can do either live plants or you can do seeds. I looked at the live plants at Walmart and they didn't look really good. So I came to Tractor Supply to see if they had a better variety. So we got some squash, spinach, cucumbers, broccoli, and okra. Y'all ain't know I do the garden stuff too. I don't know too much about it, but I'm learning. So if you got any suggestions, let me hit me up. Let me know. The seeds went number $15. I got 3 bags of soil for what, like $20? Yeah. Like $20. So yeah, right now 35. You guys have a good day. And really and truly, you ain't gotta spend that for real. Yeah. I really went a little over the budget, trying to be extra, but all right. Okay, so I kind of been on like a little scavenger hunt, y'all. But this is my 3rd location. I went to Marvin's. To get the live plants. I got the seeds from Tractor Supply. I got the soil from Walmart. You feel me? But I really wanted to do live plants because you see the growth a little faster than the seeds. The seeds take like 2 to 3 months, and the live plants be like a month and a half to 2 months. So I came to Marvin's, got my live plants. I got some cucumbers, some squash, and some jalapeno peppers. And I'm also gonna put the seeds in the ground as well. But yeah, so we got 3 tomato plants right here. They took it out that garden. I'm gonna go put it in my garden. And we're gonna put the rest of the plants in the ground too. Alright. So we back at the crib. Gonna get the soil out. I'm gonna show you how to lay out, the full layout, everything we got. And then we're gonna put the plants in the ground. So don't be scared to get dirty, man. Y'all gotta get in the gym. Y'all wanna lift these bags of soil like me. Whatever you want to put down, we got live plants, and we're just gonna put the soil in first. We're gonna put the soil in the ground, then we're gonna put the plants in the soil.
Get some fertilizer, spread that out, and then you good to go, really. Yeah, get up all this old grass, man. Get it up out of here. God dang. You see the roots? I gotta get these in my turtles. Y'all see my pet turtles back here in my pool? I be throwing my collard greens and stuff to them so they can eat and shit. Feel me? So basically what you finna do now, you're just gonna fluff your soil, which is basically just breaking it up, getting all the hard soil and mixing it with the soft soil, and then we're gonna put the new soil down, and then we're gonna put the plants in. That's really all it is to it, man. But I'm gonna show y'all instead of just telling y'all, so y'all can't say I ain't answer y'all questions and stuff. You can't be scared to get dirty out here either. So if you one of them niggas or one of them girls that's scared to get dirty, get some gloves, man, or go buy your shit from the store. You can't do what I'm doing. You feel me? Let's go through a step-by-step of what we did. Step 1, go to the store and buy you some soil. This is what we got. Zoom in. This is what we going with. Garden soil, all purpose. What did it say? Miracle
in-ground
Grow.
use.
Come on, man. Lock in. We got 3 bags. I got 3 bags, but I already had soil down, so I'm just putting this on top of that soil. If you starting with a fresh garden, you probably gonna need to get about 6 bags, you feel me, to fill the whole thing up. Or however big your bed is, just, you feel me? Use your own judgment. You ain't stupid, nigga. You ain't dumb. That's step 1, buy soil. Step 2, come over here. Y'all got me sweating and shit. See, this, don't say I don't fuck with y'all. I'm out here sweating to show y'all how to get y'all own food and shit. Alright, boom. Step 2. You can either get seeds or you can do the live plants. We're doing the live plants because it faster production, you feel me? We got cucumbers. Sorry, y'all. Cucumbers, squash. I don't eat squash, but we got squash. And then we got jalapeno peppers. I don't eat that either, but we got it. Boom, that's step 2, buy your plants. Step 3, make sure your bed, come back over here. Make sure your bed is ready. So for me, y'all saw what I just did. I pulled up all the old stuff, the grass, shit like that. Put the soil down, which I'm finna do now. But if you don't gotta do that, you just put the soil on the ground. So let's get into that. Alright, we're gonna put the soil down now. Oh shit. You wanna spread it evenly, bro. You don't wanna put it all in one spot. Feel me? Oh God, ain't trying to do that. Yeah, man, you just put it down, bro. Shit stink, y'all. And like I said, bro, I'm not no professional gardener. You feel me? This is just a hobby of mine. But as you can see in the clips that I showed y'all, I'm a successful gardener. Look right there. Look right there. Look right there. Like, it's not hard at all, bro. You can do it. If you got tips for me, cause like I just said, I ain't no pro. If you got tips for me, comment down below on some stuff I can improve or some products that I can use. You know what I'm saying? Cause eventually I do want to be a professional with it. Have a lot of land, have my own garden and shit. I'm over here ranting, man. Let's get this shit done. I'm ready to go lay down. Water my new soil real quick, make it soft. Now for the fun part. I'm gonna put the plants in the ground. You wanna make a little hole, right? Get up in there. Get up in there. You don't wanna go too deep, because you don't wanna bury it. That's really it, bro. pat it down. Put your plant in the ground, pat it down. Finna put this one, I ain't make a hole. Put it right here. You wanna try to get them some space between each other so they don't grow right on top of each other. Jalapeno pepper. See what I'm talking about? All these roots and shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was just connecting the ground. That shit's so cool. And really and truly, this is really a new experience still, because this is my first time doing all all four of these plants. The last time I only did broccoli, cabbage, and collard greens, so. Alright, I got a section off kind of weird, bro, but it's alright. I just want to show y'all the concept of everything, your snotty nose ass. But we got the cucumbers over here, got some squash right here, jalapeno peppers right here, and then tomatoes over there. We put the live plants down. I've never done seeds before, but I'm gonna try them. I'm just gonna put them in empty spots because I don't got nothing else to put down. We got some broccoli, okra, and spinach, but as you know, or as you should know, seeds gonna take a little longer. So we probably won't see progression on these for about 2 months. But in about a month, we should see progress on these for sure. So I'm gonna put these down real quick, and I'm gonna show y'all the little secret I was talking about, and that's gonna be it. See, I don't know how many seeds to put or nothing, bro. It's a lot. You think one seed is one plant? Multiple in one spot?
I think you have to put down like, it ain't got it on the back.
Place one seed every 2 inches and cover the soil. Plant one seed every 2 inches. I guess I'll do like four seeds, each one, type shit. I don't know what I'm doing with the seeds, y'all, so don't follow what I'm doing with the seeds. Do your own thing, do your own research, man. I'm just trying some, see if it works. If it worked though, when it works, I'm a natural. You get your soil, you get your plants, you put the soil down, you put the plants in the ground, and then the final step. This right here, man, is gonna make your stuff grow healthier and faster, man. Farmer fertilizer. Go to your garden, man. Spread it out throughout the soil. Feel me? You do this once a month. At the beginning of the month, the first. You ain't gotta do this often. And that's how you do a garden, bro. This how you start your garden. I hope the video helped. If it did, subscribe to my channel. If you end up starting your own garden, send me some pictures on my social medias, man. And let me see the progress. So, I hope y'all like the video, man. We out.